Hello and welcome to this lecture on Engagement Studio. So far, we have seen how to draw in visitors using landing pages, how to capture them using forms, and how to organize them using segmentation lists. Right now that we have done already this, it is time to nurture our leads. That's where Engagement Studio enter the scenes. In this lecture, I will answer the following questions. What is Engagement Studio? Why Engagement Studio is a game changer with some real world examples, Engagement Studio entry point and personalization, and finally, what are its benefits? So, first question, what is Engagement Studio? Well, think of it as your personalized marketing conductor. It's a visual tool like Flow Builder in Salesforce that lets you design, automate, and manage multi-steps campaigns. These campaigns will guide your prospect throughout a customized journey depending on their behaviors, interactions, and preference. To make it more clear, let's use a real-world example. Imagine you are a fitness equipment company and you've got a bunch of prospects at different stages of interest. Some have browsed your website, some have downloaded your workout guides, and some are already subscribers and bought some of your products. Well, these prospects they fall into three different segments. First, prospects who recently signed up for your newsletter. These ones they should receive a series of emails that introduce them to your product line and offer exclusive discounts. Other prospects who constantly opens your email but hasn't made really yet a purchase. These ones they probably should receive some product recommendation and to motivate them some success fitness stories. Finally, other engaged prospects who already bought some of your product or attended a webinar, these ones maybe they should get a follow-up series with in-depth content and maybe even a special invitation to an online fitness challenge. You don't want to send the same content to everybody, and that's where Engagement Studio enters the scene. It will allow you to tailor your content to each of these segments. Now, here's what is exciting about Engagement Studio. Segmentation lists are the entry point for your Engagement Studio design. Remember the segmentation we covered earlier? Well, those lists determines who gets invited to your nurturing campaigns. If someone meets the criteria you've set, they step into the Engagement Studio stage. That is why I highly recommend to first look at the segmentations lectures. If you haven't done already, please go back there and then you can carry on with the Engagement Studio. So, what are the benefits of Engagement Studio? Well, Engagement Studio shine when it comes to personalization. Each step in your campaign can deliver content that resonates with your prospect. It's like having a one-to-one conversation, but on a much bigger scale. Your prospect will feel understood, and that is really important to build connections with them. In a nutshell, Engagement Studio will allow you to have efficient automations of personalized journeys. It will allow you to scale your content to all your prospects, and it will allow you to nurture your prospect at the right time with the right content. Overall, whether you're nurturing leads, guiding prospects to a purchase, or simply building strong relationship, Engagement Studio is your secret weapon. That's it for this lecture. And the next one, we will roll up our sleeves and learn how to build our nurturing campaign using this powerful tool.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Pardot today, click the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.